Hello, class. Welcome to week 6. This week, we're going to go over tools and how they're used in the Agile methodology and, of course, team communication. So recapping, looking at everything we've been through so far as we approach the end of the course, we have talked about the SDLC, including requirements analysis, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. We looked at waterfall and Agile over and over again. We comparing the two. We looked at the Agile Manifesto, the roles, events, and artifacts of the Scrum framework. We've been using the tool clips. We talked about the product owner role, the tester role, and the developer role. We looked at user stories and test cases, and we built test cases based on the user stories. And last week, we looked at estimation and some of the different techniques to estimate work and how we're really not very good at making estimations of when things will be accomplished. This week, like I said, we're going to go over tool use. And so the objectives this week will be communicate with team members to acquire the needed information to complete the task, and explore project management tools. And so the two chapters this week, of course, we'll go over tools, the Agile communications and tools, and the version 1 tool. Jira is commonly used by many companies. We use it as well at the company I work for, and it's used for issue and project tracking. We'll also talk about Microsoft Azure boards. We'll plan your work with these using the Azure boards, and then we'll have an overview of a rational team concert. So the assignments for this week, we'll have a discussion on VisionQuest, the case study. It's a group activity as an Agile team. And so you accept one of the roles that we've talked about earlier, the product owner, tester, or developer, and work as a team. So try to get this discussion going early to allow your team members to see your work and reply. And then the journal, this week we'll focus on communication practices and project management tools. And then the final project reminder next week is the final project. So it's there's only 2 assignments this week. I know this course has a little heavy on assignments. There's only 2 this week, but they want you to start preparing for that final project, which is due next week. And it's a considerable part of your grade. So if you can get a jump start on it this week, it'd be a good idea. And have a great week. Shoot me an email if you have any questions. I'll try to get your week 5 grades out in the next day or 2. And get the feedback for you on those. And we will talk to you soon. Like I said, if you've got any questions, shoot me an email. As you know, I usually respond right away.